Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. I'm going to do a second review on an espresso machine that my wife got me for Valentine's Day, since the one that we had kicked the bucket 3.5 years into it. I forgot to turn it off, and apparently the water boiling melted everything inside of, or most of it. Now when I turn it on, it leaks water everywhere. But that one was a very inexpensive one. We got it from Amazon. It was about $99. This one is a little different. This is going to be the brand DeLonghi. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm just going to show it to you and see what you think about it. And if you're interested in purchasing one, I'm going to put my link below. That way, if you can help out, the price does not change. But if you can order it from my link, greatly appreciate it. Thanks. Goodbye, little fella. You've been replaced. I think this thing is a monster. It's a lot bigger than the one I had. And as you can see, you have the steam nozzle right here. This is the watermark, or the water container. And power buttons. And if you want coffee dispensed or steam, you got the two buttons there. There's nothing to put apart. This is just for water, so you can wash it later, but there's nothing to put together. Everything just came as is. You just pull it out of the box, and the rest of it is going to be two different sizes for coffee measurements. Here's a smaller one, which is a single cup. This is a double shot. I usually take the double shot, and I don't even know what that means or what it's called. Owner's manual, the little scoop to scoop out the coffee. I drink Bustelo, love it, every single morning. Make myself a cappuccino, and a decock, which is to clean it out. This is a solution that you mix it with water, and it's recommended that you do it once a month. And what you do is that you fill this up into this container, you fill it up with water, and you let it run and empty out for about 2 or 3 cycles. It's just to keep the machine clean and in good condition. But all I have to do is just plug it in and make my first cup. Yeesh. We're fully set up. The only thing that we have to do is to fill up the water container. This holds up about 1 liter. So we'll see how many of these cups we'll take. Will probably be 2 of them. There is a max indicator on the side. So this cup right here will probably take about 2.5. All right, and then we're ready to brew. Actually took 2 and just a little bit over. But the next thing that you do is you go ahead and pack your coffee. So you have your coffee holder right here. Of course, this is brought to you by Bustelo. That's the best coffee you can ever have. All right, so we got 1. And that right there is actually a double shot. So remember, if you're not a coffee drinker, you can use the smaller one. That's a single shot, and it won't be as strong. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to press the coffee just to make sure that it's nice. See? And we're going to lock it into place. It's really hard to hold the phone like that. Let's see if we can do it that way. Yeah, there we go. There. secure. There we go. So we'll go ahead and turn on the machine. Excellent. And let's see if this fits in there. This is my cup. It does. Awesome. But I don't like it to do it like that because I want it measured. And this is just a standard coffee cup. Now, because it's double shot, you see two nozzles. So you can actually do two separate cups of coffee and it will dispense them. But because I like my coffee, I always do a double shot. Here we go. We have a green light and let's give it a test run. Oh, that sounds good. Sounds like an industrial machine. Come on, little buddy. Ooh. Oh, that's gold. Oh, look at the head. Oh, gold. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. And we're done. That's beautiful. That's exactly how you want it to come out. Beautiful. Now, because I want a cappuccino, and yeah, I know it's 4:45 right now, the time that I'm shooting. I have some cream over here, which I'm about to foam with steam. So I'll turn the steam on, which is right there. And the nozzle for the steam, you either go up for steam or you go the other direction for water. The steam is almost ready. Oh, there you go. Whew. Thought I didn't know what to do with it. Okay, it's okay. It's okay for coffee. Are we ready yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Oh, it says okay, so I guess it's okay. So let's go. Let's do it. Ooh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yep. That's it right there. That's it. We're done. All right. Cool. All right, let's mix everything together. All right, so we got everything ready for safety. Safety first, so it doesn't burn again. We're gonna turn everything off. First, we're gonna grab the coffee. It's pretty hot. It is really hot. Then we can grab the creamer. I don't know how to make those little figurines, so whatever. There you go. And now, the sugar. Sorry, I'm Hispanic. I like sugar in my things. I like sugar in the coffee. All right, let's try it. Oh my God. One more. Yeah, this was pretty good. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please give it a like. Follow me. Give it a follow on YouTube. And if you're looking to get a really good espresso machine, this is my first day using it. It's very easy. All you have to do is just plug it and brew away. The cleaning is very simple. You just have to remove that, wash it. Do not put anything on the washer. Do everything by hand. It's very simple. They're very small pieces, but you don't want anything to rust. But anyway, give it a like, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next review video. Thanks.